Welcome and congratulations to the ME class of 2025.
Today marks not just the completion of a program, but the culmination of 18 months of dedication, learning, and transformation.
Learning begins at the edge of comfort. And one of the most important things as an entrepreneur you have to do is to continue learning. As an entrepreneur, your most important job is to create light, to illuminate, to allow people to see.
Success is temporary. That is why you would have to be good to the people on your way up, because they will be the same people you will meet on your way down.
I want to acknowledge the family and friends who are here, because without your support and patience and encouragement, they would not be here.
And it's clear that this journey is not just about academics, it's also about building something outside of the business world.
Let me be among the first to say you did it. You've crossed the finish line of one of the most rigorous academic and personal marathons that higher education has to offer.
The best things in life happen when you challenge yourself.
Tonight, we are gathered here to celebrate a significant milestone in the life of our remarkable tribe, our ME 2025 graduates.
Allow yourself to dream and to hope and to change and be more. More than just an entrepreneur, more than just a businessman.
To all the graduates of the ME class of 2025, this is not just your moment. It's your movement. You have the tools, the insight, and the heart to redefine what leadership looks like. Believe in yourselves, trust in your abilities, and never stop dreaming big.
To my ME 2025, we started as classmates, but we leave as a family. We've shared lessons, struggles, wins, and life itself.
We, the AIM-powered batch, stand together, proud, grateful, and united, and as one AIM-powered family.
Even though we're graduating, the learning and the support doesn't have to stop here. So let's keep this going, AIM-powered always.
Let's go forward as AIM-powered graduates, ready to lead with courage, inspire with purpose, and transform every space we enter.
Today, we gather not just to celebrate a graduation, but to honor a journey.
Cheers to you, AIM-powered. Your incredible journey ahead. Congratulations. Mabuhay kayong lahat.